Welcome back. Today let's create a fun and easy Ramadan snack that's perfect for iftar. Using Torrikos Potato Flakes, we created a delicious and crispy potato flakes waffle, a fun twist on traditional snacks. Whether you're hosting guests or preparing a simple family iftar, this waffle is a must-try addition to your Ramadan menu. Hello again, foodies. We are back. And this time we are making a fun snack that everybody will love for iftar. So let's get going. Chef, are we ready?
Absolutely ready. Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying cooking, serving and making delicious food this Ramadan. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy and a versatile recipe. My today's recipe is called as potato flakes waffle. My star ingredient is Torrikos Potato Flakes, which is super versatile and can be done into various recipes.
Wow. Well, Chef, you know, I don't cook that much, so my cooking knowledge is very limited. But tell me, how versatile can potato flakes be? What all can it be used in?
Well, you can make instant mashed potatoes. You can add it to your soups or stews to have that perfect texture and unlimited snacks. The list is really long.
Well, in fact, it has a long shelf life. It helps to reduce food waste and it's available in every season.
Wow, very true.
What else can one ask for, right?
So let's check out the ingredients.
Okay.
We have fresh yogurt, fresh avocados, spring onion, mint leaves, cherry tomatoes,
eggs, cheddar cheese, butter, milk, flour, black pepper, salt.
and my star ingredient, Torrikos Potato Flakes.
Of course.
So let's start with mixing bowl.
Here you go.
Thank you. We will take Torrikos Potato Flakes. I absolutely love this. It saves so much of time.
Perfect for busy Ramadan evenings.
So I'm taking about 1.5 cup of Torrikos Potato Flakes. Such a fine texture, no?
Yeah.
Put this back. All-purpose flour. So we are going to take just a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour.
Okay.
Bit of salt. Black pepper. Just a pinch. I like to add some cheese. 1/2 cup. First we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. So it's done. Now we are going to take 1 whole egg.
Okay. Okay, let's add some
Fresh
milk.
milk. So about 1 cup. That's
Okay.
it. And now we are going to mix it gently.
Okay. This looks super easy.
Yes. So now I want the batter to be, it's not a batter, basically it's a dough. I want the dough to let it sit for 3 minutes. I want it to soak all the moisture.
Yeah.
So once that sits in, we'll go with our yogurt. We are going to make a herby yogurt, which gonna be one of the toppings for that. So let's grab another bowl, please.
Okay.
So we'll take yogurt, 2 tablespoons, some spring onions,
Spring onions are added. Now we go for the mint.
yes, now we're going to take some mint, so let's take some salt, just a bit, black pepper, just a pinch, and you want to mix it.
Yes, of course.
Go for
I
it.
think I've become a pro at this.
Yes.
Here you go.
Super amazing, Priya. It looks beautiful. I mean, if you look at it, it has all the herbs in it. The seasoning is done. I mean, it's good to go.
Perfect.
While our,
Dough is ready to...
yes, and our waffle mix is also ready. The machine is ready. It's hot. What we are going to do is we're going to take some butter.
Line it with some butter.
We will just spread it nicely. Now you see how thick it has become?
Yeah.
This is the texture we are looking at it. So we're gonna drop it here. The best part of potato flakes is the moment you heat them up, it spreads. What are we going to do is we are just going to seal that up.
Oh, nice. Okay. So you don't really have to spread it with a spoon or a spatula.
It will happen automatically. That's it.
And we leave it for?
7 to 8 minutes. And now, while that is cooking, we are going to work on our toppings, which is super easy. We have got avocado here. Let's open this. Just remove the top edges.
Looks like a nice, ripe, creamy avocado.
Yes. We are just going to literally slice them. That's it. Do you hear the caramelization here? For the citrus, we are going to use cherry tomatoes. Just thinly slice.
So our toppings are ready.
That's it. Our herby yogurt is there. Toppings are ready. So Priya, let's check out the waffle.
Wow, looks amazing.
Yes, it does. You see the crunch and the aroma of cheddar cheese. Now you can think as a black canvas.
Yeah,
You can do many toppings as you like. Today we are going to do with some avocado and cherry tomatoes.
Yes.
Just 3 pieces together.
Start with this or the
We'll start with the yogurt first.
yogurt and herbs?
See, no wastage.
Absolutely. Okay, and then?
Now we are going to put some avocados.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
There we go. Potato flakes waffles. The star ingredient was my Torrikos potato flakes. What do you say?
Chef, the crunch and the taste are perfect.
Torrikos potato flakes was the life of this recipe.
I think you've chosen the perfect ingredients for this. They've all come together so well.
Thank you.
It's definitely a great iftar snack that both kids and adults will enjoy.
Lovely. I mean, we can do a lot of stuff with this, but then avocado, yogurt, some Torrikos potato flakes, I think this combination will last forever. And we want you to try this recipe out and let us know how do you feel about it.
Yup. And this Ramadan, make cooking simpler and quicker with Torrikos potato flakes and enjoy quick recipes with great results.